Good morning viewers. Today we will solve intersection of two linked lists. You have to in this question you just have to return the linked list through the through where the intersection is started. Okay, suppose there is a linked list A. This is 4 1 8 4 5 and B linked list is 5 6 1 8 4 5. So you have to return the 8 because the intersection of A and B linked list is meeting at the 8. So you just have to return this. So here is the code for this is first you have to create list node temp A, which is pointing to the head of A. Okay, and list node star temp B equals to head of B. Okay, so first you have to count the length. Int A is equals to 0 and B equals to 0. Okay, this will count the length of A linked list and B linked list. Okay, so first I count the length of A. So while temp A is not equals to null, so you just have to temp A move forward. Temp A equals to temp का next, and then you have to increment the A to find the length. In same way you just have to find the length of a B. Okay, so just change it. In this way you will find the length of a B and A. Okay, so after this you just have to check. After this you have to put the temp A equals to head A and temp B equals to head B. Okay, so let's put it on a head, and after that you just have to check if length of A means A is greater than B, means A length linked list is greater than linked list B, then you have to find a difference. Okay, you just have to find a difference A minus B, and then for int I equals to 0, I less than diff then I plus plus. ये तब तक चलेगा जब तक ये diff के इक्वल ना हो जाए. ओके, while temp A is not equals to temp B, sorry, you just have to put, and then while temp is not equals to, you just have to move temp A equals to temp A का next and temp B equals to temp B का next. Okay, in this way you will find this. After that, if length of B is greater than A, so you just have to put the condition int, you just have to put the condition A and find the int difference equals to B minus A. Okay, B minus A. Same way you just have to write it control V, and you have to put the temp B, and in same way temp B is not equals to temp A, you have to move forward. Okay, after that you just have to return, you will return temp A or temp B, which is same, so you just have to return temp A. You can also return the temp B, so just check it whether it is running properly or not. Maybe it's yeah, it says it is running properly, and then submit this code. Submitted. Thank you for watching.